Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. This is about food. Okay, so we're cooking. Well, it's not me in the kitchen. So that's my nephew is cooking. Okay, he knows how to cook. So this is the what you call this thing? Peas. This is red beans. What kind of name is this? This is the stuff we about to boil. Okay. Now, usually we're gonna put it in a pot and boil it until it's cooked. Okay, guys. You all know how to boil some beans. Okay, we're gonna boil this and we're gonna make rice with it. So right now, we purchased this thing about for 2,000 change at Walmart. I just pick any type of rice, and we're making rice and beans. That's what we're making, rice and beans, guys. This is the beans. Yeah, that's the beans. That's the type of beans. Okay, guys, this is the beans. I'm about to boil it. Well, my nephew is about to boil it, and I'm gonna show you where it's boiled. We put it in a pot and just boil this thing until you feel like it's cooked. Okay, guys. That's that thing called cranberry beans. That's another beans. This is the first time I'm about to eat it, though. I'm not sure. This from Walmart. We bought this thing. I think it's $2.99 or $2.98, guys. Okay. So now we're about to boil it. I'm not gonna show you it's boiled. It's gonna take a long time. So I'm gonna pause the phone. I'm gonna show you when it's cooked. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. This is the water. That's about 2 hours, 1 hour. I don't know exactly. I wasn't paying attention. This is how this thing looks like. That's the beans. That's the water underneath of it. Now what we did, and this is almost the rice is. You can tell. Met my end, remember. You can tell it's real done. You see, guys. You see. Did you? Okay. You see how the beans look like? That's how you know it's cooked. Okay, guys, now we're gonna fry the beans. We're gonna fry it with oil and stuff. Okay, we're gonna pour it in another plate, on the container, then we fry it. Guys, now we frying the fries. We frying the beans. What we're gonna have here, this is some garlic. This is garlic. This is garlic. We put some garlics. We put some garlic, guys, and we put some oil on the pot. And this is the garlic that we use from Walmart. And we use this thing. I forgot the name of this guy. We forgot the name of this. We use some of that to put in there. Let me show you where it is. See, that's one other piece. It's right there, guys. We use some of it. I don't know the quantity because I'm not cooking. My nephew is cooking. So now we find the rice. Now we're going to put some pepper. This is spicy pepper. But he always do that. He put one. Me, I was crunchy, but he's pretty good at this, so he's showing me how to do this. You're gonna put some Maggi in there. Okay, he dropped some Maggi. And anybody come to Korean will know what from the West Indies will know what Maggi is. Okay, he put a 1 spoon of salt. You put 1 spoon of salt in this thing, guys. Now in Haiti they call it Kole Avec Pois. Rice and beans, guys. It's easy to make. It is amazing. Guys, we're gonna put some more spice in there. This is onion powder. Go ahead. It's like Kole. Just a little bit of onion powder, guys. We're putting some more salt in there, guys. Make the thing taste really good. Okay? I'm not dropping for one. Just a little bit, guys. Now, guys, you remember the water you are boiling the thing with? We're going to dump the water in there. Ou fini avec tout le bagay yo? Oh. You put one so. We're gonna put some green pepper in there, guys. There's a lot of big yeah. That's some green pepper we put in there, guys. Mwen fwa sa ou. On va pas utiliser moitié bagay ça. Moitié ça. La prochaine fois. Maybe we're going to try something else. We don't have to use the whole thing. Okay, guys, now we're taking the water. That's the same water we boiled the beans with. Oh, the smell is amazing, man. Guys, this thing smells good already. Make me hungry. I was asking him why he doesn't cut this, guys. Why he doesn't cut it? He said no. He doesn't want to cut it. So maybe next time I do one myself, I will cut it. I'll make it in 2 pieces. I'll make it 1 piece of it. I don't know. This thing, it has the salt. It has all the ingredient in there. Now I'm going to put some more water in there, guys. You see how simple it is, guys? You boil the beans. I've been trying to tell him let the bean cook overnight, soak overnight. He said no, it doesn't taste the same. That's what he says. It doesn't taste. Free there. Guys, he's putting some more stuff in there, which is cayenne, red pepper. Go ahead. Let me show this thing. This is what we're doing, guys. Putting some more in there. There you go. Oh, ça va go. Ça, les m'a utilisé poisson, ça m'utilise en pile. Il fait le piquer. Tu crois ça on mettait dedans? Tu n'as pas parlé, je ne peux pas parler. Hey, we're showing Haitian rice. We need to speak that Creole thing we're doing here. This is some other type of pepper. Guys, we didn't use that much oil, so we're putting some butter in there. So you're gonna use some butter in there. You make it tasty even better. Yeah. Just a spoon, just a little bit. That's a spoon now. Et ça t'a mettez? Mettez quantité vraiment. Nous avons compris par la prenne. I was just saying to him, maybe put as much as you need to. Hold on. Guys, the fire is still the same. We hasn't reduced the fire yet. Okay, the fire hasn't been reduced yet, guys. Now we're letting this thing soak and boil, and we're gonna cover it halfway. We just cover it. For combien de temps on fait le couvrir là? Oh, when you hear the thing, the bubble, it start boiling, we're gonna stop. We just take the cover up and put some rice in. Okay, right now, when it start to boil, we're gonna remove the cover and put some rice in. Okay, guys, this thing start boiling. So now you're gonna taste this thing to see if this is okay. Okay, you're gonna stir it a little bit. Okay, I can smell the food, man. He's gonna taste this thing. That's what you want to keep tasting like here. It's tasting it, guys. See? It's on a spoon. It's gonna taste it if you see this thing has enough salt. Oh. You manqué? What manqué? Okay, guys, now he washed the spoon. Now he's about to put some more salt in there. Ça suffit? Okay, give it another tablespoon, guys. Un seul? Deux? See, that's why I put 2 Maggi. I call it a day. Go ahead. You put a little bit of salt, so that's up to you guys how much salt you like. So now you put some more salt. You're gonna stir it some more. The rice, it could be any rice, guys. Overview. Now he's gonna wash the rice. Getting the rice now, so you gotta work. How many cup of meat?
12.
Okay, that's one.
That's
Oh shit. See guys, that was 2. This is jasmine rice. Jasmine rice. That's right. No relation, guys. You just like it. Okay, that's 3. That's a lot of rice.
yeah, that's
This is how I got you. That's a lot of rice. That's a lot of rice. So 3 cups of rice we're good. We're gonna pop rice. I'll take that there. Now you're gonna wash the rice, guys. You're gonna wash it and then dump it to the thing, into the pot. Okay, guys. He's washing the rice. Now you're gonna pour the water out. This is good to go. Okay, guys, we're dumping the rice in there. See, it's not that much. See? Et puis moi, je vais reste là. Vous allez me jeter de l'eau, me vider dans de l'eau. Vous allez me mettre de l'eau en dernier. Looks like my mom's cooking. They look good. Look at them for I was saying, guys, I like the food. Look at my mom's cooking. You know, so I think I like the beans. Then we're gonna cover it. We'll put this on lower.
yeah, non, peut-être bouillant. C'est ça, on bouille ça.
Okay, guys, this is being put together. If any changes, guys, I'll let you know. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel. Ooh, the food smelling good already, guys. No, kill about this and volume. Okay, we're lowering the volume, guys. Move living car volume now. Move you having car volume now. Move living car volume now. You see, guys, we're lowering the volume. Just show me over there. We lower the volume to half. Now, ooh, this looks so good. Guys, you don't need to eat this thing or anything else. Just grab it and eat it. But it's not cooked yet. What's it gonna do? Bien boire, c'est vrai que gâteau dedans. C'est même la peine de tout faire tuer ça longtemps. La peine de tout faire longtemps, vraiment. On va quitter le faire en bas du. En bas du dedans.
En bas, ouais.
Comme pas c'est good dedans. Juste tout fait derrière là. On a tout fait de mauvais mi-temps. Pour chaler à monter. On va la du. On va la du. On a tout comme tout le monde anglais ça. Mon créole ça.
Ou ka eti
Jamais.
tou e pa
Jamais,
dan
tonton. Maintenant, il tire par là.
kon.
They tout fait tout quick. Guys, I'm talking about my dialect, my like Haitian Creole, guys. I'm talking Haitian Creole. Okay. So now we're gonna cover it. We lower the volume a little bit. Oh, we lower it a little bit again, guys. Let me show you. Okay, we're lowering the volume a little bit more. Okay, guys. Hey, we need to make it back. All right, guys. We'll put it back. Now we're gonna cover it. That's it. Vou me dar uma teta, vou puxar teta. Guys, you need to cover the top. We're looking for the cover. Guys, we're gonna check the rice to see how it is. How long? I do not know how long. Guys, we're taking the rice out. We're taking the cover. Now we got. Ooh, guys, if you know the smell, this is amazing. Okay, we're gonna check the rice to see if it's okay. He's turning it over. Ooh, this is good. Oh yeah. I think it's, guys, the rice is cooked. Hey guys, he's turning it over. This is nice. We're gonna check if the rice is cooked. If the rice is cooked, we're gonna move it out of the. We're gonna turn the fire off. Vamos verificar lá. Su côté, dale. Dale. Guys, we're gonna check the rice if it's cooked. There's no other way to check it. You just see if it's not hot. See, I'm hungry though. I can't tell. Rice is good.
It's good.
I think it's cooked. Yeah, it's cooked. This is done, guys. Oh, this is very good. This is very good. Now, guys, we're gonna move this thing. I'm gonna turn the fire off and remove the rice. Rice is ready to be served. Vamos aqui, okay, good enough. That's my taste, guys. Sorry, I'm hungry. Okay, guys, this is bonus. Okay, I don't know if I can explain this, guys. Okay, we're making some chicken Haitian style. Okay, I don't know if I can explain it to you. No, that's a different video. I will try my best because this is not. There's nothing boiled already. I'm gonna try to explain that to you guys in a few seconds. Okay. Don't subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna try my rice. Rice is done. I'm gonna have another video for you guys.